One of the main problems that we have today is just awareness of what you're putting into your body and the effect it has on you. You go into the supermarkets today and you see how many items are based on you microwave this, you stick this in the oven, it's just convenience fast food. We have disconnected from food because food is not just about taste and just enjoying what you eat, it's about what is that food doing for you. Saladmaster was founded by Harry Lemons in 1946. In 1979, Regal actually bought the company. They were able to help us grow and establish to where we are now. We're in 60 countries worldwide. We're continuing to grow. We manufacture a specialist cooking system that allows us to cook with no water, no oils, no fats in an airtight container at 86 degrees centigrade. And what that does is it helps protect the integrity of the food. We keep on average 93% nutrition. So obviously when you put the food into your body, you're maximizing the nutrition.
Saladmaster focuses his attention on health and wellness because we truly believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to have a healthy lifestyle. The main vision for Saladmaster is to provide a vehicle to people to be able to nourish their lives, to have the ability to really enjoy every day.
We call it the science of Saladmaster. It's a cooking system, so it's not just one feature, it's a combination of things. So on the cooking surface on the inside, we use 316 titanium because that allows us to cook without any impurities getting into the foods. We use 70% less energy than the average cooking system. There's also a vapor valve which is calibrated to go off at 86 degrees centigrade, 187 Fahrenheit. And the reason we use 86 is because that's the temperature that really maximizes the nutrition in the food. You don't need to be a chef, there's nothing special about it. You just put your food in, put it on a medium-low heat, and you walk away. When the food gets up to the right temperature, this valve clicks to let you know it's a temperature. When you get there, you turn it down, the heat goes into the food, and 10-15 minutes later, you're good to go.
So food is key to health and wellness, and it's not just the food you eat, but how you cook the food. Our goal is to educate on what is the correct way to eat and prepare your food so that you're maintaining the nutrients. So Saladmaster strives to achieve this through our cooking shows.
A Saladmaster cooking show is very simple. We come to your house, and what we're going to focus on is the health, time, and money aspects. Nutrition is in the color of the food, and you're going to see throughout the cooking process that the color stays. The cookware is made to be like a little oven, that it cooks from the bottom up, sides in, top down. And what you put into Saladmaster is what you get out. Alrighty, we're going to look at the chicken right now to see so we can flip it. So. Does not look good. It totally released from the pan. That's how the meat's doing here. It's all about the temperature and the process of cooking.
Being educated about health and wellness brings many, many values to life. Especially as an individual, you will have more longevity. Saladmaster began its partnership with the International Diabetes Federation in 2022. As a global organization, we wanted to partner with a global organization as well. We want to make sure that the people who we speak to in Korea, in Mexico, in the US, in Africa, in Europe, wherever it is, we have a common denominator. And we want to make sure that we support people in understanding better how they need to eat to have a healthy lifestyle and to prevent diabetes and many other diseases that come from unhealthy lifestyles. Our partnership with Lifetime really emphasizes our efforts in nutrition. We were the piece that made the connection from the people at the clubs to home. We just thought it was a really, really good balance between being at the club and taking care of yourself and translating it to your everyday at home.
Our goal is to get to where we're changing 1 million lives a year. It just really makes you feel good about what you do every day. You know that you're changing people's lives. We've been doing it for 77 years, and I think we can do it for another 77.
Cooking and eating is not something you retire from. So we are connected to you for the rest of your life. The impact for me is that giving you that healthy nutritional meal, allowing you to eat what you want to eat, but just in a healthier way. And the benefits of all that is really making a difference in society.